Hello students, this is me Avijit sir and let's go for a learning ride. Okay, today we're gonna start with the first chapter of class 8 CBSE Science. So, crop production and management chapter has got some questions. The first question is, select the correct word from the following list and fill in the blanks. You have got some hints. And number A, the same kind of plant grown and cultivated on a large scale at a place is called crop. The first step before growing crop is obviously the preparation of the soil, because without preparing a soil you cannot grow any crop on that soil. Next one is damaged seed would float on the water, obviously, because any damaged or rotten pieces build some air in it by the bacterial formation. Next one is, for growing a crop, sufficient sunlight, water, and nutrients from the soil are essential. Okay, now come to the second question, matching. You have got in column A Kharif crops, Rabi crops, chemical fertilizers, and organic manure. Now let's start matching. Kharif crops, obviously paddy and maize in the rainy season. Rabi crops, obviously wheat, gram, pre in the winter season. Chemical fertilizers, obviously urea and superphosphate. And last one is organic manure, obviously the animal excreta, cow dung, urine, and plant waste. So these matching are based on their features. Okay, now give two example of each. Kharif crops, already you have done paddy and maize, and Rabi crop is wheat and gram and pea also. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. It is, write a paragraph in your own words on each of the following. You have got some topics and you have to write down. Preparation of soil, obviously the first part of growing any crop. In the first step, turning, loosening of the soil and leveling of the field is done. This helps to make the soil more porous and it helps the loosened soil. The root can grow easily in the loosened soil and get sufficient amount of air and water. And to do this, we have some tools like plow, hoe, and cultivator. Next is showing. Showing is one of the most important part. In this part, the right amount and the best seeds are chosen by the farmers, and these are done by the funnel like tools like in a traditional way, and nowadays a seed drill would serve the purpose. Next one is weeding. Weeds are the unwanted plants that grow beside the crop in the field. It could harm any crop, so we need to remove that. To do this, we have some tools like khurpi, seed drill. We can do it manually also, and we can use chemical weedicides to kill those weeds. Next one is threshing. In this process, the separating of seed is done from its main plant. And to do this, combine is a tool used nowadays. It is also an important part of the harvesting process. Okay students, so these are some parts of the agricultural practice: preparation of soil, sowing, weeding, and threshing. Learn it carefully and make a note. Thank you for watching this video. We will catch you in the next class. Bye bye.